Discrete Math. Welcome to my lesson on pairwise and Condorcet voting. In pairwise voting, we compare the candidates head to head. That means we imagine that all the other candidates were not running, and we compare the two and see who would win. In order to be a pairwise or Condorcet winner, you must beat every candidate you were compared to. To go through the steps, you're going to make a list of all the pairs of candidates. You're going to eliminate all the other candidates except those two and reassign the votes. A Condorcet winner only exists if he beat every person he was paired against. In our example, we have candidates A, B, C, D, and we're going to have 6 pairs that we'll need to find winners for. First, we're going to compare A to B. If you're a visual person, you might like to get rid of the other candidates on your preference chart. So I'm going to scribble out everything that's not A and B. In the first row, A1, our preference diagram on the second one has B ranked ahead of A. B is ranked higher in the third one, and B is ranked higher in the last one. That means A only has 42 votes. B got 26 plus 15 plus 17, or 58. That means that B won when compared to A. Now we'll compare A to C. So I'm going to get rid of B and D. A again is ranked highest in the first. In the second column, C is higher than A. C is higher than A in the third column. Oops, I'm sorry, I scribbled out the wrong one. In our last column, C, the second one down there, is higher than A. So again, A is left with only the 42 votes. C then has the 26 plus 15 plus 17, or 58. Now we'll look at A to D. A still has those 42 votes at the beginning. In our next column, D is higher than A. D is higher than A in the third. And D is higher than A again in the last. A again has 42 votes. B has 58. Moving on from A, we're going to go to B versus C. In the first column, B is ranked higher. In the second column, B is ranked higher. In the third column, C is higher. And in the fourth column, C is higher. That means that B has 42 plus 26 votes, or 68. And C has 15 plus 17, or 32. So B is our winner. Let's compare B versus D. In the first column, B is ranked higher. In the second column, B is ranked higher. In the third column, D is ranked higher. In the last column, D is ranked higher. So this means B, again, has 42 plus 26, or 68 votes, while D has 15 plus 17, or 32 votes. So B wins this comparison. And finally, C versus D. C is ranked highest in the first, in the second, in the third, and D is ranked highest in the last. So C got 83 votes, D got 17. So C wins in this comparison. Okay, so who won? If you go back and rewatch, you'll find that B beat everybody. So B is the winner. Thank you very much. Watch it again if you have questions.